Good morning, family, friends, and YouTubers. It is what I'm calling day 4 of the maple lawn harvest. I want to say thank you guys for watching. I've been making these videos mostly, for keepsake, for historical value for our family, because the farm has been in our family for a long time and means a lot to us. But I've had a lot of people viewing the videos, and I hope that you're enjoying them. And if you do, feel free to like them and leave comments about what it was that was your favorite thing in the video of the day, or things that you might like to see, questions that you're wondering. I know a lot of people that have watched have said that they learned something from the videos and that's why they enjoyed them. I'm learning things like keep yourself backlit. Anyway, so feel free to leave those comments and I'll try to answer them as best as I can. Today what we're going to do is try to take out some more corn here at the Maple Lawn farm at the actual 80 acres. We need to take about 2,500 bushels to the elevator, and we've got a little over 1,000 in, I think now, or something like that. So we're going to fill the rest of that contract at the elevator today, hopefully. And then we will move over to the Bryant farm and probably stick the combine in the ends and see how that corn is. We expect it's probably 18% or maybe a little bit below that. And if that's the case, then we will set the large combine up with the corn header, get it ready to run on corn, and then we'll hopefully run on corn over there. That's if everything goes as planned today. So again, thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll have some good video footage today. I'll do some drone shots and definitely some shots of the combine being changed over to the corn header, the harvester over at Bryant Farm. And then maybe we'll get some other good content. Who knows? Maybe there'll be a special guest one of these days or something like that. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. So we're going to do get some fuel. The combine definitely needed it. The tractor, the 44 is down below a quarter, so it's a good time to fuel these up before we head back out to the field. So we finished fueling up the tractor and the combine and greased the combine, but we had a change of plans. We're going to go over, set the big combine up for beans and take it to the field so that Chris can cut beans while I'm chopping corn here at Maple Lawn. So that's what we're going to do now. Gotta have the right size pin if you want to pull to the header. What's up? I think they're in the truck. Look at that. Hey, you all right? You okay? We love you, millennial farmer. First try. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Don't hit the pole. Let's make sure we don't hit the pole. Oh, I don't think we can because yeah, that'll be good. So we got lunch and we're going to try corn now. We're gonna be at the 80 acres of maple lawn and gonna cut a pass back with the little harvester. Cut a little bit, see how wet it is, and if we're ready to go, we'll cut a pass back to the back and clear the back ends off, and then come back up with a pass and put all that on wagons, take that to the elevator, and then hopefully keep going. Up a little bit. It wasn't that much different on the air pressure when it did. Yeah. I imagine you got to do this. Edge in and take the pass off. Starting well. Yeah, you'll have to edge in twice more to get 12 rows off. It's probably 12 right down to the edge.
I probably drove off the end and then backed up and went that way. So we'll just edge in right here in front of the tractor and go down to the end and back up again and edge in front of.
Right.
Then you should be able to go that way down the end.
Would you start on the our side of the ends or on the outside of the ends?
I start on the outside, but just be careful not to back into the post or bit.
Yeah.
Maybe nudge in the next four so you got space to turn when you get to the end coming backwards. Was it really close to running over?
I don't think so.
I mean, right there in that corner is where it's always closest, right?
Yeah.
Over your right shoulder.
I mean, it was up there, but it wasn't like about to run over, I don't think. I didn't really look right at the end. I was paying attention to what I was doing, but I got the back ends off of the farm at Maple Lawn, the 80 acres, and one pass off of the north end. And the moisture on the back was 18.5 in the hand tester and 19.1 on the end on the pass on the way, not on the end, but on the pass on the way back. So I'm headed to the elevator now, and we'll see what they tested at. Got the two blue wagons. I don't know if you can see those. And I'm getting on the road. Wow, so I just got back from the elevator, and they put 17.5% moisture. So that's kind of cool, but I think it means we're going to have to go pretty hard and get the rest of this grain out in the sweet spot. So we're not paying too much for drying down, so we're not losing weight. So hopefully we can hit the sweet spot with all of that. I have just dropped the wagons back at the back of the field. I'm going back up to get the harvester, the little harvester. And I think Chris is still over at the Rust Farm cutting beans where we dropped off the bean combine, the big harvester. And I think he wants me to do at least another round here. And then we'll see what happens after that. Alright, so I talked to the boss man and he says go ahead and cut some more corn. So I've got 2 wagons at the front of the field and 2 wagons at the back of the field, and I'm gonna shell a couple of rounds of corn, see what happens. Here we go. There's Chris filling the combine. Apparently the wagon is already full. And I'm gonna try to get it out of here. I might have to use 4-wheel drive, he says. Hopefully that will do the trick. Can't see that. There it is. Bing. Haha. Gotta love that backup cam. All right, let's go to the elevator.